Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing corrupted save data in Rocket League, a comprehensive guide. Dealing with corrupted save data in Rocket League can be incredibly frustrating. It can wipe out your ranks, inventory, car customizations, and progress, leaving you starting from scratch. This comprehensive guide will walk you through various methods to diagnose, prevent, and potentially fix corrupted save data, including understanding the file structure, using backup strategies, and exploring more advanced troubleshooting techniques. However, understand that data recovery is never guaranteed, and some data loss might be unavoidable. Understanding Rocket League save data asterisk. Before diving into fixes, let's understand what we're dealing with. Asterisk save data location asterisk Rocket League stores save data locally on your computer. The exact location varies based on your platform. Asterisk Steam asterisk your Steam install directory /userdata /your Steam ID /252950 /remote /. Replace your Steam install directory with the path to your Steam installation folder, example C /program files, x86, /Steam. Replace your Steam ID with your unique Steam ID. It's typically a number. Asterisk Epic Games Store asterisk %user profile %documents /my games /Rocket League /ta game /save data /dbe_production. You can paste this directly into your File Explorer address bar. Asterisk PlayStation /Xbox /Switch asterisk save data is typically stored on the console's internal storage or external storage, if configured. You can access it through the console's system settings, but direct file access is usually restricted for security reasons. For consoles, cloud backups are your best bet. Asterisk key files asterisk within the save data location, you'll find the following crucial files. Asterisk tagame.bin, this is the primary save data file. It contains your profile information, rank, inventory, settings, and more. Corruption in this file is the most common cause of issues. Asterisk profile.dat asterisk contains information about the user profile. Asterisk DLC_packages.dat asterisk contains information about the installed DLC packages. This is helpful for identifying which DLCs you should potentially reinstall to fix DLC-related corruption. Asterisk save data structure, simplified the tagame.bin file is a binary file, meaning it's not human readable. It contains structured data, including variables for your rank, inventory IDs, car customization settings, and game progress. The exact structure is not publicly documented by Sionix, but analyzing the file with a hex editor might give you some insights. Modifying this file directly without proper knowledge is strongly discouraged as it can lead to further corruption or game instability. 2. Identifying save data corruption asterisk. The symptoms of corrupted save data can vary, but common indicators include game failing to load or crashing at startup especially if you notice a persistent error message regarding save data. Loss of rank/skill division your rank resets to unranked, even though you should have a higher rank. Loss of inventory items your items, car customizations, or progress towards achievements disappear. Settings reset to default your graphical settings, controller bindings, or camera settings revert to their original configurations. Error messages related to save data look for error messages during gameplay, particularly during loading screens or when accessing the inventory. 3. Prevention strategies, best defense. The best way to deal with corrupted save data is to prevent it in the first place. 1. Cloud saves Asterisk Steam Cloud asterisk Enable Steam Cloud synchronization for Rocket League. Right-click Rocket League in your Steam library, go to Properties, then General, and make sure Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Rocket League is checked. Steam will automatically upload your save data to the cloud, providing a backup in case of local data corruption. This is typically reliable, but it's not foolproof. Asterisk Epic Games Cloud Saves asterisk Epic Games Launcher also provides cloud saves. Go to your Epic Games Launcher settings and make sure Enable Cloud Saves is toggled. Asterisk Console Cloud Saves asterisk PlayStation Plus and Xbox Live Gold subscriptions offer cloud save backups for Rocket League. Nintendo Switch Online also has a cloud save feature. Check your console's system settings to enable automatic cloud backups. 2 Manual backups asterisk regular backups asterisk create manual backups of your save data folder, your Steam install directory /userdata / your Steam ID /252950 /remote / or %user profile %/ documents / my games / Rocket League / TA game / save data / DBE_production. Copy the entire folder to a safe location, such as an external hard drive, USB drive, or cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Establish a regular backup schedule, example weekly, monthly, to ensure you have relatively recent backups. 3 Proper game closure asterisk avoid force closing never force close Rocket League while it's actively saving data, example after a match, during inventory customization. Always exit the game through the in-game menu to allow it to save properly. Shut down your computer properly avoid sudden power outages or hard shutdowns while Rocket League is running. 4 Disk health check your hard drive periodically check the health of your hard drive. Use tools like Crystal Disk Info to monitor its status. A failing hard drive can cause data corruption. Run chkdsk run the chkdsk command in the command prompt, as administrator, to check for and repair file system errors. This can help prevent save data corruption caused by disk issues. 4. Troubleshooting and potential fixes If you've already encountered save data corruption, try the following troubleshooting steps. 1. Verify game files Steam right-click Rocket League in your Steam library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify integrity of game files. Steam will check for corrupted or missing game files and re-download them. Epic Games Store click the 3 dots next to Rocket League in your library, then click Verify. Epic Games Launcher will check and re-download game files. This step addresses corruption in the game files themselves, which can sometimes be mistaken for save data corruption if they interfere with the save process. 2. Check and restore from cloud saves Steam Cloud download cloud saves try to download the Steam Cloud saves manually. Sometimes, the automatic sync fails. Close Rocket League completely. Go to your Steam install directory /userdata / your Steam ID /252950 remote / and delete the tagame.bin file, back it up first. Restart Rocket League. Steam should prompt you to download the cloud save. If not, check Steam's cloud sync status for Rocket League to see if it's up to date. Sometimes, it's as simple as restarting Steam. Conflict resolution if Steam detects a conflict between your local save and the cloud save, choose the cloud save to overwrite the local one. If you're unsure, choose the most recent timestamp. Epic Games Cloud Saves Asterisk close Rocket League. Go to your Epic Games library and right-click Rocket League. You may see options to check /force cloud sync. If you see a conflict, choose the cloud save. Asterisk if this fails, disable cloud saves in the Epic Games launcher settings. Launch Rocket League and let it create a new save file. Close Rocket League, re-enable cloud saves, and relaunch the game. It should prompt you to resolve the conflict and hopefully restore your progress. Asterisk console cloud saves. Asterisk use your console's system settings to manage and restore cloud save backups. 3. Restore from manual backup. Asterisk if you've made manual backups, this is your best chance of recovery. Asterisk locate your backup folder. Asterisk close Rocket League completely. Asterisk navigate to your current save data location, your Steam install directory /userdata /your Steam ID /252950 /remote or %user profile %documents /my games /Rocket League /ta game /save data /dbe_production. Asterisk back up your existing save data folder. It's crucial to preserve the current corrupted data in case the backup doesn't work as expected. Asterisk copy the contents of your backup folder into the current save data location, overwriting the existing files. Asterisk launch Rocket League and check if your progress has been restored. 4. Delete and recreate the save data folder. Asterisk this is a more drastic step, and it will completely reset your game progress unless you have a working backup. Asterisk close Rocket League. Asterisk navigate to your save data location. Asterisk delete the 252950 folder, Steam, or the TA game folder, Epic Games. Asterisk launch Rocket League. The game will create a new save data folder with default settings. Asterisk use this method only if you have cloud saves or manual backups. If you don't have backups, this will effectively erase all your progress. 5. Reinstall Rocket League. Asterisk in rare cases, the game installation itself might be corrupted. Uninstall Rocket League completely and reinstall it from Steam, Epic Games Store, or your console's store. 6. Check DLC installation. Asterisk sometimes, corrupted DLC files can cause save data problems. Steam. Right-click Rocket League, go to Properties, then DLC. Verify that all your DLCs are installed. Try Unchanged Decking and rechecking them to force a re-download. Epic Games Store. Go to your library, click the 3 dots next to Rocket League, and choose Manage Add-ons. Verify that all DLCs are installed. Consoles. Manage DLCs through your console's game management settings. 7. Hex editing, extremely advanced, use with caution. Disclaimer. Hex editing the TA game.bin file is highly risky. Incorrectly modifying the file can further corrupt your save data or render your game unplayable. Only attempt this if you have extensive experience with hex editors and understand the risks involved. Purpose. Hex editing might be used to identify and potentially correct minor corruption within the file. This is only applicable if you suspect a small section of the file is damaged and you have a way to compare it to a known good file, example a backup. Tools. You'll need a hex editor like HXD, free, or similar. Procedure. 1. Backup your ta-game.bin file. This is non-negotiable. 2. Open the ta-game.bin file in the hex editor. 3. Compare the file with a known good backup. Look for patterns of unusual characters, repeated sequences, or sections that appear completely different from the backup. 4. Attempt to replace the corrupted sections with the corresponding data from the backup. Be extremely careful to match the exact byte sequence. 5. Save the modified file. 6. Launch Rocket League and see if the fix worked. If it didn't, revert to your backup file. Asterisk code example, illustrative, not a functional program. Asterisk important notes on hex editing asterisk. Asterisk this is a last resort. Asterisk document every change you make. Asterisk start with small changes and test frequently. Asterisk if you're not comfortable with hex editors, seek assistance from someone with expertise. Asterisk there's no guarantee of success. 8. Contact Xionix support asterisk. Asterisk if none of the above methods work, contact Xionix support. They may be able to offer additional assistance or investigate potential server-side issues. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the problem, including any error messages you've encountered. V. Common causes and further considerations asterisk. Asterisk antivirus interference asterisk some antivirus programs can interfere with game save processes. Temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it resolves the issue, but remember to re-enable it afterward. Add Rocket League's executable and save data folder to your antivirus's exclusion list. Asterisk modifications asterisk using unauthorized mods can corrupt save data. Remove any mods before troubleshooting. Asterisk drive errors asterisk as mentioned, disk errors are a significant cause. Ensure your hard drive is healthy. Asterisk internet connection issues asterisk in rare cases, interruptions during online saves can lead to corruption. 6. Conclusion asterisk asterisk. Save data corruption is a frustrating problem in Rocket League, but by understanding the save data structure, implementing preventative measures, and using the troubleshooting steps outlined in this guide, you can significantly reduce your risk and increase your chances of recovery. Remember to prioritize backups and proceed with caution when attempting advanced fixes like hex editing. Good luck! Corrupt Save Data Rocket League Fix, a comprehensive guide. Dealing with corrupt save data in Rocket League can be incredibly frustrating. Losing your progress, customizations, and settings is a major setback. This guide provides a comprehensive breakdown of potential causes, troubleshooting steps, and, where possible, mitigation strategies for dealing with corrupted save data in Rocket League. It's important to emphasize that completely recovering severely corrupted save data is often impossible. The goal here is to minimize the damage and prevent future occurrences. Disclaimer asterisk modifying game files or registry settings carries inherent risks. Always back up your save data and registry before making any changes. I am providing instructions and explanations, but I am not responsible for any data loss or system instability that may occur if you make mistakes. Proceed with caution and double-check every step. Understanding the problem, what causes save data corruption? Save data corruption can stem from a variety of issues. Here's a breakdown of the common culprits. Asterisk sudden game crashes / power outages asterisk this is probably the most common cause. If Rocket League is actively writing data to the save file when the power is cut or the game crashes, the save file can be left in an incomplete and unusable state. Asterisk disk errors asterisk bad sectors on your hard drive or SSD can directly corrupt the save file if it's stored in those locations. Asterisk third-party software conflicts asterisk overlays, cheat engines, or other programs injecting code into Rocket League's process can sometimes interfere with save data writing and cause corruption. Asterisk driver issues asterisk outdated or buggy graphics drivers can cause instability and potentially corrupt save files, especially during graphic-intensive operations, which often trigger save points. Asterisk cloud syncing problems, Steam Cloud, Epic Games Cloud. If there are conflicts or errors during the cloud syncing process, your local save data can become out of sync and potentially corrupt. Game bugs. Although less common now due to patching, bugs within Rocket League itself could theoretically contribute to save data corruption. Overclocking instability. Unstable overclocking can lead to system crashes and, consequently, corrupt save data. File system errors. Issues within the file system of your operating system itself can lead to data corruption across various files, including save games. Modding, especially improper modding. Modifying the game, particularly with outdated or incompatible mods, can corrupt save data, especially if the mod interacts with save files. 2. Identifying the problem. Symptoms of corrupt save data. Recognizing the symptoms early can help you take action before the damage becomes irreversible. Common symptoms include: Rocket League fails to load your profile/settings. You might be presented with the initial setup screens as if you're launching the game for the first time. Rocket League crashes during startup or loading. The game might crash immediately or freeze during the profile loading phase. Missing or reset progress. Your rank, levels, unlocked items, car customizations, or career statistics are gone or reset to default values. Error messages related to save data or profile loading. The game might display an error message indicating that the save file is corrupt or invalid. Gameplay glitches or instability. In rare cases, corrupted save data can cause in-game glitches or instability before the game completely fails to load your profile. 3. Immediate actions, minimizing further damage. If you suspect save data corruption, take these steps immediately. 1. Close Rocket League completely. Don't keep the game running and potentially overwriting what's left of your data. 2. Disable cloud syncing. Disable Steam Cloud or Epic Games Cloud for Rocket League to prevent the cloud from overwriting potentially good local backups with the corrupt data. See instructions below. 3. Backup existing save files. Even if you suspect corruption, back up your existing save files before attempting any fixes. This provides a last resort if everything goes wrong. See the instructions below for locating save files. 4. Locating your save files. Rocket League save files are typically stored in these locations. Steam /users /your username /documents /my games /Rocket League /ta game /save data /dbe_production, or your equivalent documents folder. Epic Games Store ****C /users /your username /documents /my games /Rocket League /ta game /save data /dbe_production, same as Steam. Within the dbe_production folder, you'll find files like profile data, important file containing progress, rank, etc. Season stats. Replays. Disabling cloud syncing. Steam ***. 1. Right-click on Rocket League in your Steam library. 2. Select Properties. 3. Go to the General tab. 4. Uncheck the box labeled Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Rocket League. Epic Games Store ***. The Epic Games Launcher has a more complex cloud syncing system. Disabling it entirely is generally not possible. However, you can try these steps. 1. Close the Epic Games Launcher completely. 2. Navigate to %localapp.a% /Epic Games Launcher /saved /config /Windows. 3. Open user settings.ini in a text editor, Notepad, VS Code, etc. 4. Add the following line under the /script/epicgameslauncher.config section. 5. Save the file. Be sure it's saved as a .ini file and not a .text file. 6. Restart the Epic Games launcher. Important note: this method might not always be reliable, as the Epic Games launcher can sometimes override these settings. Regularly back up your save data manually, regardless. 6. Troubleshooting steps and potential fixes, ordered by complexity. Now that you've taken preliminary steps, let's move on to troubleshooting. 1. Verify game file integrity, Steam/Epic. This checks for corrupted or missing game files and re-downloads them. This is a standard first step and often resolves minor issues. Steam. 1. Right-click on Rocket League in your Steam library. 2. Select Properties. 3. Go to the Local Files tab. 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Epic Games Store. 1. Open the Epic Games launcher. 2. Click on Library. 3. Click the three dots next to Rocket League. 4. Select Verify. 2. Restart Rocket League and your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that might be interfering with the save data. 3. Check your hard drive for errors. Run a disk check utility to identify and repair any errors on your hard drive or SSD. Windows. 1. Open File Explorer. 2. Right-click on the drive where Rocket League is installed, usually C. 3. Select Properties. 4. Go to the Tools tab. 5. Under Error Checking, click Check. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions. 4. Check for driver updates. Ensure you have the latest graphics drivers installed. Outdated drivers can cause instability and potentially corrupt save data. Visit the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website to download the latest drivers for your graphics card. 5. Rename/delete the profile data file, and see if a new one is created. Warning: this will likely reset your settings, but it's a potential fix if only the profile data is corrupt. You will lose your car customizations. Navigate to the save file location, see section 4. Rename the profile data file to profiledata.boc, or delete it entirely after making a backup. Launch Rocket League. The game should create a new profile data file with default settings. If this works and the game launches correctly, you know the profile data file was the culprit. You'll have to reconfigure your settings. 6. Restore from backup, if available. If you've been regularly backing up your save data, which you should be, restore the most recent backup. This is the most reliable way to recover lost progress. Replace the files in the DBE_production folder with the files from your backup. 7. Check Cloud Sync Backups, Steam/Epic. Even if you disabled cloud syncing after the corruption, there might be an older, uncorrupted version in the cloud. This is a long shot, but worth checking. Steam. 1. Go to https://store.steampowered.com/account/remota storage app/apid equals 252950 https://store.steampowered.com/account/remota storage app/?apid equals $2529550. You need to be logged into Steam. 2. Find Rocket League in the list. 3. Browse the files. If you see older versions of your save files, download them and try restoring them, after backing up your current, potentially corrupt files. Epic Games Store. The Epic Games Launcher doesn't offer a direct interface for accessing cloud save versions. You'd need to contact Epic Games support and request them to restore a previous version of your cloud save. This is a complex and time-consuming process, and success is not guaranteed. 8. Check the log files for clues. Rocket League creates log files that might contain error messages related to save data loading or writing. These logs can provide clues about the cause of the corruption. Log files are typically located in C/users/ your username /documents /mygames /Rocket League /TA game /logs. Open the most recent log file, launch.log or similar, in a text editor. Search for keywords like error, failed, corrupt, or save. If you find relevant error messages, try searching online for solutions specific to those errors. Include the error code and Rocket League in your search query. 9. Reinstall Rocket League ***. As a last resort, try completely uninstalling and reinstalling Rocket League. This will ensure that you have a clean installation of the game and all its dependencies. Be sure to back up your save files before uninstalling. 10. Contact Unix support ***. If none of the above steps work, contact Unix support. They may have additional troubleshooting steps or be able to help you recover your account, though they usually can't directly recover corrupted save data. Provide them with as much information as possible, including error messages, log files, and the steps you've already tried. 7. Prevention, protecting your save data in the future. The best way to deal with corrupt save data is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Here's how. Regular backups. Implement a regular backup routine for your Rocket League save files. You can manually copy the DBE_production folder to an external drive, use cloud backup services like OneDrive or Google Drive, or create a scheduled task to automate the backup process. Consider a daily or weekly backup schedule. Clean shutdowns. Always exit Rocket League properly through the game menu. Avoid force closing the game or shutting down your computer while the game is running. Stable power. Use a UPS, uninterruptible power supply, to protect your computer from power outages, especially if you live in an area prone to power fluctuations. Healthy hardware. Regularly check your hard drive or SSD for errors and consider replacing aging drives. Driver maintenance. Keep your graphics drivers up to date. Disable unnecessary overlays. Disable overlays from programs like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or RivaTuner Statistics Server, RTSS, if you suspect they're interfering with the game. Avoid overclocking, if unstable. If you're overclocking your system, ensure that it's stable. Unstable overclocks can lead to crashes and data corruption. Monitor system temperature. Overheating can cause instability. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures and ensure they are within acceptable ranges. Verify game files regularly. Periodically verify the integrity of your game files, as described earlier, to catch and fix any minor corruption issues before they become major problems. Be careful with mods. Only use mods from trusted sources and follow the installation instructions carefully. Avoid using outdated or incompatible mods. Back up your save data before installing any mods. 8. Code examples, for automated backups. While there's no code to directly fix corrupt save data, that's typically impossible, you can use code to automate save file backups. A batch script, Windows. Create a text file named backup_rl_save.bat, or similar, and paste the following code into it. Explanation ***. At echo off, suppresses command echoing to the console. **rem, comments. **set source_dir equals, sets the source directory, where your save files are located. Modify this if your save location is different. Asterisk set backup underscore dir equals, sets the destination directory, where you want to store the backups. Modify this to your desired backup location. Asterisk the for loops extract the current date and time to create a timestamped backup folder name. Asterisk if not exist %backup underscore dir %mkdir %backup underscore dir creates the backup directory if it doesn't already exist. Asterisk mkdir %backup underscore folder creates the timestamped backup folder. Asterisk copy source underscore dir backup underscore folder /e/h/y copies the save files from the source directory to the backup folder. Asterisk /e copies directories and subdirectories, including empty ones. Asterisk /h copies hidden and system files. Asterisk /y suppresses prompting to confirm overwriting existing files. Asterisk echo and pause display a message and pause the script so you can see the output. How to use asterisk. 1. Modify source underscore dir and backup underscore dir to your actual locations. 2. Double-click the backup underscore rl underscore save.bat file to run the script. It will create a timestamped backup of your saved data in the specified backup directory. Scheduling the backup, Windows Task Scheduler. 1. Open Task Scheduler, search for it in the Start menu. 2. Click Create Basic Task in the right-hand panel. 3. Give the task a name, example Rocket League Save Backup, and click Next. 4. Choose a trigger, example daily, weekly, and click Next. Configure the schedule as desired. 5. Select Start a program and click Next. 6. In the Program/Script field, enter CMD. 7. In the Add Arguments field, enter /c path /to /backup underscore rl underscore save.bat, replace path /to /backup underscore rl underscore save.bat with the actual path to your batch file. Enclose the path in quotes if it contains spaces. 8. Click Next and then Finish. B. Python script, cross-platform, requires Python installed. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk import shuttle, OS, date time, imports necessary modules. Asterisk source underscore dir, backup underscore dir, similar to the batch script, define the source and destination directories. Asterisk now equals datetime.now, gets the current date and time. Asterisk backup underscore folder equals, creates the path to the timestamped backup folder. Asterisk os.makeDirs, backup underscore dir, exist underscore ok equals true, creates the backup directory, and parent directories if needed. Exist underscore ok equals true prevents an error if the directory already exists. Asterisk shuttle.copyTree, source underscore dir, backup underscore folder, copies the entire source underscore dir to the backup underscore folder. This recursively copies all files and subdirectories. Asterisk the try, except block handles potential errors, such as the source directory not being found or other exceptions during the backup process. How to use asterisk. 1. Install Python asterisk. If you don't have Python installed, download and install it from https://www.python.org/download/ https://www.python.org/downloads. 2. Modify source underscore dir and backup underscore dir to your actual locations. 3. Save the code as a .py file, example backup underscore rl underscore save.py. 4. Open a command prompt or terminal and run the script using Python backup_rl_save.py. Scheduling the backup, using Task Scheduler on Windows or cron on Linux/Mac OS. Windows, Task Scheduler similar to the batch script scheduling, but in the program/script field, enter Python, and in the add arguments field, enter the full path to your Python script, example C \path \to \backup_rl_save.py. Linux/Mac OS, cron. Use the cron tab e command to edit your cron tab file and add a line to schedule the script to run at a specific time. For example, to run the script daily at 2 a.m. Remember to replace /path/ to /backup_rl_save.py with the actual path to your Python script. Important considerations for code examples Error handling The provided examples have basic error handling, but you might want to add more robust error handling and logging to catch potential issues and provide more informative output. For example, logging to a file. Permissions ensure that the script has the necessary permissions to read the source directory and write to the destination directory. Testing test the backup script thoroughly to ensure that it's working correctly before relying on it. 9. Conclusion. Save data corruption in Rocket League can be a significant problem, but by understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, taking proactive steps, and implementing a regular backup strategy, you can minimize the risk of data loss and protect your hard-earned progress. Remember to prioritize prevention through regular backups and careful game management. While recovering severely corrupted saved data is often impossible, the steps outlined in this guide provide the best chance of mitigating the damage and preventing future occurrences. Always proceed with caution when modifying game files or registry settings, and back up your data before making any changes. Good luck.